I am Father Marcel Pinto, the Secretary for St. Joseph Educational Society, having its institutions in Chikmagalur since 1962 onwards. Rainy filter is a not new concept to me because I was working in the NGO for 6 years as the director, wherein we had this water conservation and water percolation experience. So when I came to Chikmagalur, I learnt about the rainy filter and I introduced in my 3 schools, and this is the 4th school we are having this rainy filter. So Chikmagalur, though it has got water sources, but the water is very hard to drink. So after introducing the rainy filter, we had clean and good water for our children, for the drinking purpose and for other purposes. So before introducing, we had to get water 2 to 3 tankers per week, and now almost we are not needing that water. We are sufficient with the water that we are getting now. The water source and the water is good in Chikmagalur, but because of fluoride contained in the water, it was very not good to drink. But after installing rainy filters, the water is very clean, very sweet, and the rainy water, it is very nice for the drinking purpose. And after installing, the scarcity of water, because before installing we had to get towards the February, March, we used to have the scarcity of water. We used to get 2 to 3 tankers from outside. Now almost we are enough of water after installing rainy filters. There is, I can say it is a zero maintenance. Any our attendants also can maintain it. Nowadays it is said that the water is liquid gold. Our generation saw the water in the lakes, reservoirs. Now this present generation is seeing it with the bottles. The future generation, if we don't reserve water, I have to see in the capsules, I think. So it is a highly good time and high time that we preserve, and the free water, the rainy water is a free water gift of God. Only little we have to take care of it by installing filters or water percolation or feeding to the bore wells, so recharging the bore wells. I think this has to be and it's a mandatory, it has become mandatory for the schools nowadays. So every schools, because the schools where the children are there, they see what is happening, and that they can replicate in their homes, and they will do it for their future. And I highly recommend that we preserve this liquid gold. Usually we get 2000 mm rain in Chikmagalur. And what we have done is, we have got 2 rooftops which are connected with all pipes, and that water comes to the rainy filter. This is the rainy filter which can clean 75 millimeter per hour, and the clean water is filtered here, and the clean water goes to the borewell, and the excess water and the dust and all collected and goes to the outlet. And this is the gate wall which can be handled by even the attendants. When the water is excess and overflowing in the borewell, we can put it off. Yeah, I had the past experience of installing other products from the market in other 2 schools. That had a lot of maintenance, but this is self-cleaning and free of maintenance. That's what I said. Any attender can handle and maintain it. So I highly recommend these filters are very good, maintenance free and self-cleaning, and serves our purpose to 100%.